Imran Khan, the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has revealed details of his encounter with an interrogation team inside the maximum security Adiala jail. In a detailed message posted to his official Twitter account after his family met him on Monday, Mr. Khan said he was probed by a federal investigation team about previous messages posted on his account, including details of psychological torture and repeated comparisons of current Pakistani military ruler General Asim Munir to former dictator Yahya Khan, under whom Pakistan lost half its territory. Mr. Khan stated that the interrogation also centered around what investigators described as quote-unquote anti-state tweets. His description of the current situation in Pakistan as quote-unquote Asim law. Mr. Khan said he responded by asserting he, as a former Prime Minister, had a right to speak on national issues. Quote, "I have every right to raise my voice for them. No power can strip me of this right, nor can anyone silence my voice on matters that concern the interests of my country and my people," unquote. Mr. Khan further stated that he explained that quote-unquote Asim law is the systematic dismantling of democracy, recounting his abduction by paramilitary rangers in May 2023 in the court premises, mass arrests of PTI workers, stolen mandate, and what he called the destruction of every national institution. Mr. Khan also said the country's notorious and prime intelligence agency, ISI, has been reduced to de facto ruler General Asim Munir's quote-unquote personal mafia tasked with crushing his party. General Munir has kept Imran Khan incarcerated for over 2 years now. Tehreek-e-Insaf, Pakistan's largest and popular political party, expressed concern of US President Trump's so-called Gaza Peace Plan. The party spokesperson and Member of Parliament Sheikh Waqas Akram said in a statement, quote, "PTI expresses its deep concern over the recently announced President Donald Trump's peace plan about Gaza, which seeks to determine the future of Palestine without ensuring the free will and consent of the Palestinian people. The recognition of Jerusalem as Israel's capital and the acceptance of the occupied Syrian Golan Heights as Israeli territory are in clear violation of international law and UN resolutions, and they undermine global efforts for a just and lasting peace," unquote. In the statement, PTI said its policy had previously been stated by the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister Imran Khan, consistently reaffirmed Pakistan's principal position that peace in Middle East can only be achieved through a fair two-state solution, one that fully reflects the aspirations of the Palestinian people themselves. Quote, "Imran Khan has emphasized that Pakistan's stance is aligned with the United Nations resolutions and the internationally recognized position of pre-1967 borders. PTI reiterates its unwavering support for the Palestinian cause and stands by the demand for an independent and sovereign Palestinian state with Al-Quds al-Sharif, Jerusalem, as its capital, in line with the aspirations of the Palestinian people," unquote.